Hello friends, today we will discuss how to create apps of a step counter, drag and drop a button, go in sensors, drag and drop a pedometer, and then go in user interface, give 4 labels, and then go in layout, give 2 horizontal arrangements, drag and drop label 1 and 2 in one, horizontal arrangement and 3 and 4 in another. I will rename the labels to step walked, distance covered. We will set font size to 25 and font bold. Then we will do this also, font bold and font 25 font size, and the label we should do it blank, but it should be font bold and font size should be 25 only. This also same, 25 and blank. Now take a vertical arrangement and drag and drop all step walk and distance covered. Now go in glue to blocks and drag and drop button 1 dot click do, and then click on pedometer, start, and then click on when pedometer walk steps, set label 2 dot text, drag and drop it here, and give get walk steps, and set label 4 dot text, drag and drop, and get distance. Now this will work, and our app is created fully, and this vertical arrangement should be invisible. Go in blocks, button vertical arrangement should be visible when button 1 click. So set vertical arrangement visible to true. In logic, drag and drop true. Thanks.